cuba. Actually, a little bit background of myself. I'm from IT. I'm an IT consultant, mainly on banking. Lepas tu, during pandemic, I actually started doing freelance because I want to spend time taking care of my kids. After that, now I become a full-time homemaker already. And my husband is an orthopedic surgeon. So how I came to know about BE is that through my husband's nephew. One day he came to our house and then he started talking about hearing about Alara pants. And at first I said no, I don't want any slimming pants. I'm not interested because never worked for me always. All these slimming products never work. Then I told him that I have a very bad hip pain, nerve pain, and I've been suffering for almost 1 year, limping. So jalan pun susah nak jalan lah, tak boleh jalan straight ya, satu kaki limping. Then semalam tak boleh tidur. Cerita lepas tu dia beritahu saya, dia kata bukan slimming pants saja, ini this pants ada banyak manfaat dia. And then dia boleh tolong orang ada sakit macam sakit sendi, and then sakit belakang, sakit kaki semua. And then dia suruh saya cuba lah. Then I said okay lah, I dah cuba banyak benda. Actually before that itself, I've been trying a lot of this nanotechnology patches and other essential oils and everything, but how to say, it's temporary. It works for a short while. When I don't apply it, the pain comes back again. It's very bad nerve pain. Then I said, okay, I'm already spending so much. I just buy this pants lah, cuba pants ni. So when I wore, after 3 days, can sleep for the first time after like more than a year because very painful at night, cannot sleep. I really can sleep peacefully, and after about a week, the pain started coming down lah, semakin lama semakin berkurang. And then lepas 1 bulan tu, saya boleh jalan straight, no more limping. Sakit tu memang ada lagi, tapi dah berkurang. Tapi at least I boleh stretch, I punya kaki straight lah, boleh jalan straight. I was so happy sebab I memang sedih sangat dengan saya punya lifestyle. Lepas kaki saya dah macam tu kan, limping, cannot walk straight, I macam segan sangat lah, malu sangat nak pergi keluar mana-mana kan. Once my leg was okay, I was very very happy. And then I call it the magic pants. So I've been wearing for almost 5 months now, 5 months plus. And then sakit saya 90% sudah okay. Semakin lama semakin pulih lah. I rasa saya punya nerve tu pun macam dia healing. So I can feel that it's getting better actually. So I'm very happy because I chose to wear this Alara pants. Yeah, thank you.